Akala mo ordinaryong van lang? Wait till you see this. Ito ang bagong Toyota Hi-Ace GL Grandia, pampamilya, pangnegosyo, at pang long drive na sobrang premium ang dating. Sa video na to, aalamin natin magkano ang SRP, magkano ang down payment at monthly, sulit pa talaga ang comfort at features nito, at bakit ito ang isa sa pinakahinahanap na van ngayon sa Pilipinas. Kung naghahanap ka ng van na maluwag, pogi at ready sa kahit anong biyahe, baka ito na ang perfect para sa'yo. Kaya tara, i-full review natin ang Toyota GL Grandia. Let's go!
Guys, another day, another car review na naman tayo. Eto, maraming nagre-request. Full review ko daw yung Toyota Hi-Ace GL Grandia na automatic. Ito yon meron sa likod natin. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin magkano ang SRP, magkano down payment, at also magkano monthly. Pero guys, bago ang lahat, pag-usapan muna natin anong specs nito, ang full review. Let's go!
The Toyota GL Grandia is powered by a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine na kilala sa lakas, tipid, at reliability. Parehong engine family na ginagamit din sa Toyota Fortuner at Toyota Hilux. Perfect siya para sa family use, negosyo, at long drive. Engine full specs. Engine type: 2.8-liter 4-cylinder inline double overhead cam diesel. Displacement: 2755cc. Fuel type: diesel. Turbocharger: variable nozzle turbo, VNT. Fuel system: common rail direct injection. Maximum power: 176 PS at 3,400 RPM. Maximum torque: 450 Nm at 1,600 to 2,400 RPM. Transmission: 6-speed automatic or 6-speed manual. Drivetrain: rear-wheel drive. Fuel tank capacity: 70 liters. Emission standard: Euro 4. Ang Toyota Hi-Ace GL Grandia ay gumagamit ng laminated safety glass windshield para mas safe, mas tahimik, at mas matibay sa biyahe. Ano ang laminated safety glass? Ito ay windshield na binubuo ng 2 layers ng glass, may plastic layers sa gitna. Kapag nabasag, hindi agad nagkakalat ang bubog. Kumakapit pa rin ang glass, mas safe sa aksidente. Mas protektado ang passengers. Noise reduction. Dahil laminated glass siya, mas tahimik sa loob. Less wind noise. Mas premium ang cabin feel. Ang Toyota Hi-Ace GL Grandia ay may malaking chrome front grille na nagbibigay ng premium look. Mas matapang na dating, mas modern na design. Executive van appearance. Ang grille ang isa sa unang napapansin sa GL Grandia. Dahil malapad ang design, malinis ang lines, bagay sa malaking body ng van. Purpose ng front grille. Hindi lang pampaganda ang grille. Function nito, pinapapasok ang hangin sa engine bay, tumutulong sa cooling ng makina, nakakatulong sa engine performance, pinoprotektahan ang radiator area. Kaya importante rin ang tamang airflow lalo na sa diesel engine ng GL Grandia. Headlight type. Depende sa variant at market version, ang GL Grandia ay gumagamit ng multi-reflector halogen headlamps, may integrated turn signal lamps, at may LED daylight running lamps, DRL sa ibang variants. Front fog lamps. Kasama din ang front fog lamps para mas malinaw sa ulan, better visibility sa foggy areas, at additional safety sa gabi. Useful lalo na sa heavy rain, foggy areas, at long night drives. Dimensions. Specification. Details. Overall length: 5,265 mm. Overall width: 1,950 mm. Overall height: 1,990 mm. Wheelbase: 3,210 mm. Ground clearance: 175 mm. Minimum turning radius: 5.5 meters. Seating capacity: 12 passengers. Tire and wheel specs. Specification. Details. Tire size: 235/65 R16C. Wheel size: 16-inch alloy wheels. Wheel spec: 7J x16. Tire type: commercial or heavy-duty tires. Suspension type. Details. Front suspension: McPherson strut suspension. Rear suspension: rigid axle with leaf spring. McPherson strut suspension. Ito ang suspension sa harap ng GL Grandia. Benefits: mas smooth ang steering, better handling, mas stable sa highway, at mas comfortable compared sa old high ace models. Ito din ang dahilan bakit mas car-like na ang driving feel. Mas confident sa expressway, mas madaling i-control kahit malaking van. Rear suspension explanation. Rigid axle with leaf spring. Ito naman ang suspension sa likod. Why leaf spring? Ginagamit ito dahil heavy duty, kayang mabigat na saay, pangmatagalan. Perfect para sa maraming passengers. Dashboard design overview. Ang dashboard ng Toyota Hi-Ace GL Grandia ay modernized na kumpara sa lumang Hi-Ace. Mas driver-focused, mas malinis ang layout, at mas car-like ang feel. Simple pero functional ang design. Horizontal dashboard layout. Easy reach lahat ng controls, at mas ergonomic ang positioning ng buttons. Instrument cluster or gauge panel. Makikita mo dito, speedometer, digital or analog combo depende variant, RPM gauge, fuel level indicator, temperature gauge, warning lights like engine, battery, ABS, etc. Purpose: real-time engine monitoring, safety alerts habang nagdadrive, fuel awareness para tipid biyahe. Center console or infotainment. Sa GL Grandia, usually merong touchscreen display audio, varies by variant, Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, smartphone connectivity like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto sa ibang units. Advantage: hands-free calls, music streaming, navigation support, mas modern driving experience. ICE accent, aircon control system. Isa sa strongest point ng Hi-Ace. Manual climate control front and rear. Multiple roof-mounted vents sa passenger area. Explanation: malamig kahit full passengers. Even air distribution hanggang sa likod. Independent airflow zones. Steering wheel and controls. Power-assisted steering, mas light i-drive. Steering-mounted controls sa higher variants. Function: audio control, phone control, MID navigation. Mas madaling mag-drive kahit malaking van. Storage and practical features. Sa dashboard area merong glove compartment, malaking storage, cup holders, overhead storage sa ibang variants, multiple USB charging points, high-like, designed for long trips, madaling access ng essentials, pang family at negosyo setup. Pag sumakay ka sa Toyota GL Grandia, unang napapansin mo agad yung dashboard niya. Simple pero modern at driver-focused. Lahat ng controls abot kamay. Malinaw ang gauges at may infotainment na pang modern driving. Perfect para sa family, business at long drive comfort. Seat materials. Main seat material. Ang GL Grandia seats ay usually high-quality fabric upholstery, standard PH variant. Some variants or upgrades ay leather or synthetic leather or vinyl. Seating capacity: 12 passengers, PH GL Grandia standard. Active safety features pang driving safety. Anti-lock braking system, ABS. Variacy, hindi naglolok ang gulong kapag biglang preno. Mas kontrolado ang steering kahit emergency stop. Iwas skid sa basa o madulas na kalsada. Vehicle Stability Control, VSC. Tinutulungan iwasan ang skid or loss of control. Automatic correction kapag sumusobra ang steering. Mas stable sa curves at high speed. Hill Start Assist Control, HAC. Hindi umaatras ang van sa uphill start. Helpful sa traffic na paahon. Mas safe kahit loaded ang passengers. Electronic Brake Distribution, EBD. Automatic balance ng braking force. Mas stable ang preno kahit puno ang sakay. Driver Assist and Parking Safety. Reverse Camera. Kita ang likod ng van habang nagbabak. Iwas bangga sa parking. Parking sensors front and rear. May beep warning kapag may obstacle. Mas madaling magmaneuver kahit malaking van. Clearance sonar sa ibang variants. Detects objects around the vehicle. Extra protection sa tight spaces. Passive safety features. Protection kapag may aksidente. SRS airbags. Driver and front passenger airbags standard. Protection sa frontal collision. Seatbelts, 3-point ELR. All seats equipped with seatbelts. Strong restraint system sa crash. Child safety lock. Hindi mabubuksan ang rear doors from inside. Safety para sa kids. Emergency brake signal. Nagfa-flash ang hazard kapag sudden braking. Warning sa likod na vehicles. Security features. Toyota Vehicle Security System. Anti-theft alarm system. Engine immobilizer, iwas hot wiring. Multi-reflector headlights. Ang multi-reflector design, mas wide ang buga ng ilaw, better visibility sa gabi, mas malinaw sa provincial roads, mas safe sa long drive. Ito ang dahilan bakit maganda ang road coverage ng high-A sa highway driving. Sa likod ng Toyota GL Grandia, simple lang ang design pero solid sa safety. Niandas flaming bar accent, may brake lights, signal lights, reverse lights at reflectors na complete package para siguradong visible ka sa kalsada kahit gabi o ulan. Simple pero panalo sa safety at reliability. Kung nakarating ka sa video na to, paklik naman ang subscribe button. It's a big help for me. GL Grandia at 2026. Suggested retail price, 2,496,000. 5 years. All-in down payment.
Alright, so that's our full review of the Toyota GL Grandia. Kung nakatulong sa'yo ang video na ito, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe sa channel for more car reviews, SRP updates, down payment, and monthly computations. I-hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa latest deals and promos. Ako si Jerry, marketing professional. Kung may inquiry ka or gusto mong magpa-quote ang unit, message me now. 0926-752-6138. Tara, hanap natin ang best deal para sa'yo. See you on the next video. Let's go!